Hey guys, welcome back to another video on our channel How to Guide. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can open up a bank account of Bank of America. So if this sounds helpful to you, watch this video till the end. Now the first thing you need to do is open up a web browser. Then in the search bar, type in bankofamerica.com and press enter on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, the official website of Bank of America will open. Now as you see, there are various facilities that are given to you. In order to open an account, you can click on open an account, or you can simply click on the type of account you want to create. For now, I'm going to click on open an account. Next, a new page will open. From here, you can click on checkings and savings. Next, you can see the three types of account that you can create. Along with the types of account, the features of these accounts are also listed below. You can take a look at these, and whichever feature requirement and needs, you can pick one, then click on open an account. Next, you will need to enter in your zip code. After entering in your zip code, you can take either of these options. If you want to create a Bank of America savings account, then click on this one. Then if you only want Bank of America Advantage Safe Balance Banking Account, then click on the second one. If you have an offer code, you can check this box. If you already are a customer of Bank of America, you can check the second box. By doing so, your information will be added without you needing to add it in the next step. If you're not, then click on Go to Application. Here you'll need to enter in your information. The information includes such as first name, your last name, suffix, date of birth, your address, your city, your zip code again, your mobile number, your email address, and similar things like that. Now after you filled in all the information, click on the Continue button. Then in the next page, you also need to set up your account, then check the privacy policy of the bank, and then finally you need to review it, and then your account of US Bank will be created. That's how you can create Bank of America account online. If you found this video to be helpful, give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, plus turn on the notifications to never miss any of the videos, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.